So in this video, we're going to do an orthographic drawing. And it's different than some of the other things we have been doing. So for ortho, it's a 3D, so I'm showing three faces all at once. I'll be showing the front, the top, and the side. And it's projected kind of like this. So if I have this piece here, it can be a little difficult to get started on. So the first thing I usually try and do is either draw a top piece or I'll try and draw the front. So I'll start with the top and then I'm going to draw the whole front piece. So if I have this square, every time I have a line, unless it's a vertical up and down line, I will be using the slanted lines here. I won't be drawing vertical. I only draw vertical when it is a vertical line. So I'll draw this cube, and again we'll use two lines, or as somebody said, two triangles. So that's my scale. One cube equals two of these. So if I draw this first slanted line here, I'll pick right here, and we'll use, for one cube, we'll do two lines. Okay. I'll draw this back side, and again, I'm on a slant, so our scale is 2, so one cube length is 2. Okay. I'll complete the cube by doing the bottom and the other bottom. So again, on the slants, two lines, 1, 2, for both of these. Okay. 1, 2. All right, so now I've drawn my top face here. Okay. Now I'm going to start, and I'll draw this line down. So again, I have one line coming down, and it is vertical, so now I will have a vertical line. And again, our scale is 2 triangles or 2 lines for every one cube. Okay, so now I've just drawn this line. Now I have this line, and where people get confused is they try and go sideways. Again, I'm on a slant. See how this slants up, especially in the way I have it here? So one cube slanting up, which will be 2 lines. Okay. Now I have a line going down. Again, one cube, 2 lines. This is a vertical line because it is vertical, straight up and down. All right. Now if I were to draw this bottom here, what do I have? I have 3 cubes. So 3 times 2 is 6. And I'll draw that, again, on a slanted line. And I'll count off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'll go from right here. Sometimes it helps if I hold my pencil, then bring my ruler up. So I got my 6. Okay, I've just drawn this line down here. Now I'm going to draw this one. So up, it's a vertical, 1 cube length, so 2. I'll draw this one. It's going to be on a slant, again 1 cube length, so that is 2. And then I will complete my front face by drawing this vertical, that's up and down, 1 cube length, again 2. So now I've drawn my front face here. Okay. Let's finish it off. So if I come back down to this side, I have this line going back. Again, it's going to be on a slant, 1 cube length, so 2 triangles. It goes up, okay, 1 cube length. Once again, I have this, which is another cube length. So I finished off this side. Let me rotate my paper here just for a second to draw it easier. Otherwise, I'll hit the camera. Okay. Now to finish it, what do we have? This side goes back 1. So again, on a slant, 1 cube, 2 lengths. And now I have this part of the cube. It's a little hard to see, but I'm going to be drawing this part. Okay, and it is up and down, so it's a vertical. It's looking pretty good. I have 2 more lines to do. So I'll move this over here. So you can kind of see I have a break here. It's a bend, it's a fold, a crotch, a seam. So it is one of those. So I will draw that right in between here. Okay. And I have one more. I have this little back piece I need to draw here. So that would be an indicator of this right here. Okay, so let's draw that. Whoa. Okay, and then I have my finished piece. So this is an isometric, did I say orthographic? Isometric drawing. Okay, this has three different views. So if I had to kind of shade it in here. So this is our front view, okay, which I would draw in my regular three-dimensional. So that's my isometric front view. I have my top view, okay, which would be, let me get different. My top view, which is this is part of the top. This is part of the top, and this would be a top. So I draw that, right, my top. That's part of my top. Now my side view then would be this, the white, right here and right here. So again, my front face, which is all this green, my top face, which would be these three, and then my side face, which would be the white. So I got three faces here in my isometric drawing. Okay, we'll do one more after this, but good luck on this.